Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
What's on your mind at this point in time?
Mine is like this. From beginning, the day when I took the swearing in, this is agreement made by the state office. So they have state office, BJP state office. I should go for 2.5 years, and Basenbor will come 2.5 years. So today it has fulfilled that 2.5 years and 2.5 years.
But was it written? Because earlier we understand
No,
there was
it is written, but it is not with the knowledge. At that time was not at the knowledge of the central leader. Even that time the R in charge Subhauji also he was present there in that agreement when we all signed. He said, "I will not sign because it was not there with the knowledge of the central leader."
So what would you like to tell the newly inducted colleagues now?
I wish them all the best. My all cooperation always with them, that we can work for the betterment of the state of Meghalaya.
Kita Kyrmen berkat parti BJP kena klaim Jingbha Basenbor minister.
Pika BJP kapsyong tanghangi UMLA de minister dan berklaim. Dan berklaim yang BJP dan kambaro kinong tray jong ke BJP gini Ïatreilang habo ke Jylla jong presiden juga state ke jongi Uriman Mumin. Gila berklaim yang ke parti pak di Kyrmen ruhau arpufra bahkan wan ke BJP led government ha Meghalaya.
Pihonnya kena ke jing ya mar asam cita.
Kade haba angin dang arbut MLA. Haba kita dang arbut MLA di kini bani yo lang. Ndai beno menyo dan siliang. Kata ka di bani ke spirit yang kinong yalang.
Tibok bakinan teribahaya.
Oh ya teribahaya kemat.